Meghna Gulzar's spy thriller Razi has hit the bullseye post its release. The entire star cast of the film came together for the success press conference hosted by co-producer Karan Johar. All from Alia Bhatt, Vicky Kaushal, Soni Razdan, Shishir Sharma, Rajit Kapoor, Arif Zakaria to Amruta Khanvilkar were present at the event, which went by the banner "Thank you Hindustan for being Razi." Speaking at the press conference, what did director Meghna Gulzar and the actors have to say? Let's enjoy the success press conference of Razi.
The story itself is such a powerful one that you don't need the planks of placard carrying or jingoism or saying anything with a higher volume. You can say what you need to, say it simply, say it clearly and honestly, and move on. But I think a very big part to play here is that, you know, when you're making a film on patriotism and you're not bashing Pakistan, you need to have very brave people to back it. And that's you guys. And you have to have very brave people to come on board in a blink, all of you sitting over here. This is it's special because I am being told that it's genre defining in the spy thriller genre, that it's a new genre that has been created. It's unlike the spy thriller. It's unlike the spy stereotype. It's unlike the Pakistan bashing stereotype. And I'm glad for that. I'm glad for that because if there's anything that, you know, the acceptance of Razi has proved is that the audience is open, willing and accepting to anything that is different and, you know, breaking the stereotype. So I'm just glad we all did this.
Yeah. That no amount of sentences or words can really put together my journey with Meghna, because on this film it was very important for me as an actor, at least not important but sort of it just had to happen that way, that I had to be a little mad with this character. And when your director gets your madness and loves your madness, there's no better feeling. Because how vulnerable an actor feels in front of the camera, especially playing a character like this, it's very scary. It's very, very scary. It's like being in a room with fire all around you, and it's like the heat is coming but it's not coming and you're aware, and in that moment you just need one person to hold your hand and say, listen, I'm there and I know what you're going through, and it's not just you, we're going through it together. And it was very important that I went through this journey with someone together, because the kind of character I was playing, it was too much. So thank you, Meghna, for holding my hand and just getting me.
I remember the first day of shoot, I change into costume, I step out of the van and I'm en route to go on floors. She meets me before going on floor inside the studio and she gives me a warm hug, the longest hug possible, and she just said, we're going to do it together, welcome. And that just set the tone for me, you know, that hug just, I mean, it was from that hug onwards, it was just beautiful. Every moment, being on set, being directed by her was just absolute delight. Thank you, Meghna.
For a director, this has been my happiest experience making a film. Because I think very few directors are blessed with this kind of support, unflinching, unquestioning. And then there's this, which happens, and then it gets accepted the way it has. It's like a dream after a dream after a dream, and I don't want to wake up.